How to block Venmo spam account. In order to block spam account on Venmo, you must visit the individual's profile and use the menu option to restrict them. So what you need to do is just launch open Venmo and tap the search icon and type in their name. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and type in the name or username. If they are already on your friend list, just go ahead and select the Me tab, and you could see the friend list and section, select their name as well. Now here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the profile. After you select the profile, you just want to make sure to tap the three dot and go ahead and select block. A window will appear explaining that you will no longer be able to pay or see each other. Just select the block again to finish it up. And simply blocking a spammer stops them from contacting you, but reporting them helps Venmo support investigate and remove fraudulent account from the platform as well. So what you could also do is you could report a specific user or incident. You could just go to the Me tab, locate settings from the list, and just go ahead and select chat with us to speak with an agent. And if you receive a Venmo fake message or email, do not click open that up. Just forward the email as an attachment or send a screenshot of the text to phishing@venmo.com, and that's gonna definitely help you block Venmo spam account. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.